Hello, this is Madam Kimrose, English teacher from Model English Higher Secondary School. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about the two commonly confused words, for and since. For is used with the three tenses, past tense, present tense, and future tense. But since is used only with the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense, when we say something like, I have been somewhere, I have seen something, you have gone somewhere, they have been somewhere, etc., etc. So these for and since have a lot of difference, even in writing and even in speaking. Now let's see the differences. Now let's see the first word, for. For is used in period of time. Period of time to ay ho pawa apat sung kihe. Apat sung kihe na ho atu for kimangahi. Apat sung kihe na ti tu ipihamiti ahile akipat na zong kihe akitay na zong kihe hiti ho atu for kimangahi. For example adingin shilonga kumtum ka na ume. Ahile mi khat daw chun ma'am shilonga kum izat na umam. Then my answer will be, I was there in Shillong for 3 years. For 3 years. Na, ipisi a for ka man ham hiti say na atu iti ahile, kum tum ka na tua ka talo. Hiti atu for ka man ahi. Het him na vena, ele het him ben dingin, example, tum anavio hite. First example atu kasi inzowa introduction na kasi ito piham tiahile. For he past tense say na azong akimangin, present tense say na azong akimangin, future tense say na azong akimangin hi. Hiti present simple tense present na ipiti kimangham for he anavio hite. He reads for 2 hours every day. 2 hours apat sung kihet na kadito na inzowa for kimanito. Ahile tipahin, hitipahin, nisiin, pung izat sunga simam. Iti ahile, tilayahin, 2 hours, pung nisung asim hoita akihet. Na, pung ni kalval asimlo. Na, tuto hi ahile, ending part, akitay na pazang hoita kihe ahi. Hiti ho tabangahi, akipat na, akitay na kihe ho ahi, for kimangahi. Ahile, anina ahong kinude. Mark lived in London for 6 months. 6 months. Ahile, Mark hi London nahi sagup aume. Sagup kalval umlaw. Tito hi ahile, hoi taki hi na. Ahile hi sentence ahile. Past simple tense. Ipisi a past tense kiti hamiti ahile. Ed. L-I-V-E-D. Hiti E-D hin past tense. Past tense til hozi na to E-D ki mga hina. Hiti zi atu Mark hi London na sagup kalval umlo. Ay ending. Akitay na. Na. Apat sung to ki het na hoita. Hiti zi atu for ki mga hi. Okay? And then we'll come to the third example again. We will visit Spain for 2 weeks. Hiti future simple tense hi. Hiti ipiti ni het ham future tense will. The word will. Hiti will hin ti sentence future ti asay tinin ahi. Ahile Spain atu Spain aga visit ahile. Haptani bo umding na. Hiti haptani apart sung kihet akihet hizi atu for kimangahi. Na hiti tu for izading dano hi. Tilaya grab kahimpiin. For he past, present, and future tense akimangahi. Past atil su when something gets started in the past and continue, and you know the ending. You know the ending, the end period of time to nahi nahile, then you have to use for. Okay? Now we'll come to the second word, that is since. Since is used in point of time. Point of time dito ipihamiti ahile a starting na het ahivanga atsaina nehet talo. Na, a starting nehet, I started, when something gets started in the past, and continuing, and you don't know where it will end. Na, for example, atun, kay hindi question mama nindong kitay. Ma'am, model school ahu iti apa na nanapanhitam. Then my answer will be since 2015. Hiti tu ipizia since kaman kitam iti ahile 2015 na kanapan tu azong kapan nalay. Na hiti si atu since kaman ahi. Tiyo ihet be na dingubin. Again, we'll come to the example. The first example is Mark had been reading since 2010. Hiti present perfect tense, present continuous tense mahi. ing ahong umpopawahile, it is still continuing. That means from this sentence we come to know that Mark started his reading in 2010 and then still continuing. Okay? Ipizia 2010 na Mark yun asim to 2000 asim na lai iti nehen ham iti ahile since. Tun anina example lain what you to biham tile. We've been working since we've been waiting since 12:30 p.m. Na ele his biham tile 12:30 p.m. apa na tu anga na lai tuazong anga na lai till now we are waiting. Okay, we are waiting for someone till now since 12:30 apa na tu na mi kinga na hiti tu hi ele tiho atu since. Okay, iti pa na mi nga panham 12:30 iti tsana nga ham tuazong anga na lai iti tsana nga di kisay thelo na atsay na kisay thelo hiti ho atu since kimangahi ahile atum na hong kinote. I work here since 2000. Ele iti apa na nato panta 2000. Ele hiti anga hitam anga loham anga nailo ipizia since aman na since aman zi atu tuazong ato na lahi na dito iheno hi hiti zi atu since ahi akipat na kihe atay na kihelo for atu akipat na kihe akitay na zong kihe. Okay, hiti to confuse loading. Okay, so tunya anavizosi. Thanks for watching.